apples, welcome back. So today I'll be showing you how to make your own hair moisturizer like a spritz. It can help to prevent dandruff, dry scalp, and just keep your hair moist, especially when you wear a protective style. So this has been proven, the product is actually finished right now, and it was amazing. And like, my friend has a lot of dandruff and it really worked for her. So if you suffer from dandruff, you can try this out. And the first ingredient is aloe vera. A little heads up before you get to formulating is that I did not use an emulsifier. However, I will do an updated version and add an emulsifier. And what that is just an additive that helps two liquids mix. Water and oil separate in a glass, but adding an emulsifier will help the liquids mix together. It is commonly used for different foods and drinks. Some examples of emulsifiers are egg yolks and mustards. But in this case, for skincare, it's a little different. So like you see, I miss telling you, but you see some of the equipments we're going to use, like a strainer, a mason jar, a spoon, different bowls, a knife, a food processor, and the oils, the vitamin E oil, passion fruit oil, some black castor oil, as you can see right here, some peppermint oil, sweet almond oil, and some salt. So just in case you're curious, sea salt has many benefits for your hair. If you have oily hair, it can help to absorb the excess oil. If you suffer from dry scalp, it helps to cure dandruff, as well as it gives your hair volume, and it provides a long-lasting hold. So there you go. Probably that's why my friend didn't experience any dandruff, and she suffered real bad from it, because we've been using it for the past couple weeks. So there you go. The next item is a spray bottle, and you can grab any one, and then the food processor. Right now I'll be peeling the aloe vera to extract the gel, and if you watch my previous video, what I did was cut the sides, then split it in the middle and scrape out the gel with a spoon. But this time around I'm cutting both sides, and then I am going to peel both sides. So the technique is a little different in this one. However, the end result is kind of like the same. So I'll link my previous video up in the iCards. Be sure to check it out. So right here, I'm showing you is the amount I got from the aloe vera. Now I'm popping it into the food processor, and I'm going to add like half of a water, or just enough to cover the aloe vera. Then I'll be blending it together. So if this product is something you'd like to serve you for a month, then you'd have to add preservative just to keep it from, mold and bacteria. However, I know I wanted this to last a week or so, so I didn't add any preservative. So in my updated version of this video, I'll add the emulsifier and the preservative for those out there that would like, that option. Now all I'm doing right here is just straining the aloe vera, so none of the gel, the clumps don't get stuck in your hair or anything like that. And since it's being transferred into a spray bottle also, so you'll be able to spray. I got this spray bottle off of Amazon. I'll leave the link down in the description box, and I really love the way how it sprays. So right here I'll be adding some almond oil to the mix, and I promise you guys I add a couple pumps, but in my future videos I'll come with some precise measurements for you guys. However, I'll have a precise measurement down in the description box, so make sure you check that out. I just didn't go to a T with that measurement. Right now I'm adding the salt, and it was a little messy because I didn't have a funnel. So if you do have a funnel, don't make the same mistake. I roughly just added a tablespoon of black castor oil. Right here, I'm just adding roughly about 6 drops of peppermint. That's it for the ingredients. I'll be popping the lid on, then I'll be shaking up the bottle, just to get all the ingredients together. And right before you use this product, you'd want to shake it up every time, because like I said earlier, it doesn't have an emulsifier. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you try it, come back and leave down in the comment section what you think about it. And until my next video, guys, one love.